Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Hi, friends. We're really happy you're here today. This is a safe place to learn English. No stress, no fear. Yes, you can listen, repeat, and enjoy English. Today's topic is very simple and very useful. We are learning common English phrases for daily speaking. These are phrases real people use every day, at home, at work, with friends. If you are a beginner, this episode is perfect for you. Before we start, quick reminder, please like this podcast, subscribe for more easy English, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. All right, let's begin. Main chat. Phrase 1. How are you? Our first phrase is very common. How are you? Listen again. How are you? This is a friendly question. People say this when they meet you. For example, Hi, David. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Good job. Very natural English. You can also say, I'm fine. I'm okay. Or, I'm good, thanks. Let's practice together. How are you? Pause for listener. Nice. You're doing great. Phrase 2. What are you doing? Next phrase is very useful. What are you doing? Listen carefully. What are you doing? We use this to ask about now, about this moment. Example time. Tom, what are you doing? I'm recording a podcast. Simple, clear, real. You can answer like this. I'm eating. I'm working. I'm watching TV. Let's try again. What are you doing? Pause for listener. Yes, that sounds good. Phrase 3. I'm on my way. Here's a very common phrase. I'm on my way. Listen again. I'm on my way. This means you are coming. You are not there yet. Example. Tom, where are you? I'm on my way. Great. Very natural English. You can use this with friends, with family, with coworkers. Try saying it. Pause for listener. Nice, clear, and confident. Phrase 4. Can you help me? This phrase is very important. Can you help me? Listen. Can you help me? We use this when we need help. At work, at home, anywhere. Example. Tom, can you help me? Yes, of course. Very polite, very kind. You can also say, can you help me, please? Let's repeat. Can you help me? Good job. Phrase 5. I don't understand. This phrase is perfect for learners. I don't understand. Listen slowly. I don't understand. Use this in class. Use this at work. Example. Sorry, I don't understand. That's okay. I'll explain. Very real conversation. Say it with us. Pause for listener. Excellent. Never be shy. Phrase 6. That sounds good. Next phrase is friendly and positive. That sounds good. Listen again. That sounds good. We say this when we agree. Example. Let's meet at 6. That sounds good. Perfect English. Try it. Pause for listener. Nice. Very natural. Phrase 7. I'll see you later. Last phrase for today. I'll see you later. Listen. I'll see you later. We say this when we leave. Example. I'm going now. Okay, I'll see you later. Friendly and simple. Repeat with us. Pause for listener. Great job.
Phrase 8. What do you mean? Okay, let's continue. Our next phrase is very useful. What do you mean? Listen carefully. What do you mean? We use this when something is not clear, when we want more explanation. Example time. Tom, I finished the task early. What do you mean? I finished my work before time. Ah, okay, now I understand. Good, that's a real conversation. Say it with us. Pause. Nice, very clear. Phrase 9. Just a minute. Next phrase. Just a minute. Listen. Just a minute. We say this when we need a little time. Not long, Only a short time. Example: Tom, are you ready? Just a minute. Perfect. You can use this at home, at work, on the phone. Repeat. Pause. Good job. Phrase 10. I'm not sure. Here is another common phrase. I'm not sure. Listen slowly. I'm not sure. We use this when we don't know, or when we are not confident. Example: What time is the meeting? I'm not sure. Very honest English. Try saying it. Pause. Nice and natural. Phrase 11. It depends. Next phrase is interesting. It depends. Listen. It depends. This means the answer can change. Example: Are you free today? It depends. Depends on what? Depends on my work. Great example. Repeat with us. Pause. Very good. Phrase 12. No problem. This phrase is very friendly. No problem. Listen. No problem. We use this when we help someone, or when something is okay. Example: Sorry, I'm late. No problem. Perfect English. Say it. Pause. Nice. Phrase 13. That's right. Next phrase. That's right. Listen again. That's right. We use this to say yes, correct. Example: You live in Delhi, right? Yes, that's right. Very clear. Repeat. Pause. Good job. Phrase 14. I think so. Another very common phrase. I think so. Listen. I think so. We use this when we are not 100% sure. Example: Today is Monday. I think so. Nice and simple. Try it. Pause. Well done. Phrase 15. Let me check. Next phrase. Let me check. Listen. Let me check. We use this when we need to look. Example: What's the time? Let me check. Very real English. Say it. Pause. Great.
Wrap up. Today, you learned many common phrases. Let's review together. How are you? What are you doing? I'm on my way. Can you help me? I don't understand. That sounds good. I'll see you later. Amazing work today. You are improving step by step. Remember, practice a little every day. Now, our community question. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? We love reading your answers. Awesome work today. Let's quickly repeat today's phrases. What do you mean? Just a minute. I'm not sure. It depends. No problem. That's right. I think so. Let me check. You are learning real English. Slowly, clearly, confidently. Community question for you. Tell us in the comments, what do you usually say when you are not sure? Keep learning. Keep speaking. Bye for now.